Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing our recent trip to the Philippines where we explored some of the country's most beautiful destinations. From stunning beaches to luxury resorts, this trip had it all. So join us in this adventure.
We started our journey in San Francisco where we boarded our international flight. We had a layover in ancient Korea and we're supposed to do a day trip there, but it was cancelled due to some monkeypox incident. So we just enjoyed the amenities in the airport.
After that, we finally arrived in Cebu. We checked into Lahug waterfront on our first night. We basically did nothing because we were adjusting with the time difference. So we just stayed and relaxed and had a lot of sleep. Even in the daytime, we had a lot of sleep.
The next day, we moved to ShangriLa Mactan. Oh, ShangriLa Mactan is beautiful. The resort was breathtaking with pristine beaches and crystal clear water. And we spent the day lounging at the beach and trying some water activities there.
Our next destination was Plantation Bay, where we stayed for 2 nights, and the resort had a very expansive pool area and beautiful gardens, and we enjoyed exploring the resort's amenities and taking part of some of the activities they offered there. They had this like a playground area. We did the biking, kayaking, and so much more.
After that, we then traveled to Bantayan Island, where we stayed at Kota Beach for 2 nights, and the island was stunning with white sandy beaches and turquoise water, and we spent our days exploring the island and trying some local food. Oh, they have a lot of seafood there and it was so good.
And then was Camiguin Island, where we stayed. First was in Paras Beach Resort for 2 nights. The resort was located right in front of the beach and had a beautiful view of the sunset, and you could see the view of the White Island. And we spent our day exploring the island and trying some local cuisine too.
And for our last night in Camiguin, we stayed at Nobu. It's a quaint hotel with a beautiful garden. It's a new hotel there in Camiguin. The hotel was perfect for relaxing and enjoying the island's natural beauty.
And for our last was Duca Bay Resort, where the kids enrolled for the PADI open water class. The resort was located in a secluded bay and had some of the best dive sites in the area in Mindanao. We learned about diving and explored the underwater world with our instructors.
Our trip to the Philippines was an amazing experience filled with beautiful scenery, luxurious resorts, and cultural experiences. We can't wait to explore more of the amazing country in the future. And thanks for joining us in this journey, and we'll see you next one.
If you really enjoyed, if you want us to make an in-depth review of each of the places that we stayed into, just leave a comment below and let us know so we could make another video for those places that you want us to explore.
Please follow our YouTube channel, travelingcalifornia.com.